In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable developers option on your Android phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings and then click on this My Phone option. On some devices, you might see an About Phone option, so click on it and now search for build number. Okay, here it is. So what you have to do is to tap on this build number 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and that's it. Developers option is now enabled. So if you go back, click on the search bar and type developers option, go to developers option, and you will see that it's now enabled. And if you want to disable it, all you have to do is to turn it off, and that's it. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.